Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the product card title color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. Click the online store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open the store's appearance script. All store styling code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press Enter. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link is in the description, and it has the code we'll use in this video. Simply click the copy button for the code, then return to Shopify and paste it into the blank line we left. After pasting, to change the product card title color, go to the first line. You'll see a code starting with a hashtag followed by the color code. Here, you'll input the code for your desired color. If you don't know the color code, Host2B has a color picker tool. You can copy and access the site link in the comments. This will take you to a page with a complete color selector. Choose a color from the palette and it'll generate a code. Click the button to copy this color code. After copying, return to Shopify. Select all the script's color code, delete it, and paste your new color code. Then look for the Save button in the top right corner and your changes will be saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store's product page, you'll see the color has changed to what you picked on the Host2B site. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.